In this video, we are going to explore how to calculate the area of a triangle. First, we need to know the area of a triangle formula. First, declaring two variables, base equals 5 and height equal 9. Then declaring another variable, area of triangle is equal to 0.5 into base into height. Displaying the result using print instruction. 22.5 is the output. Initially, we solved the area of the triangle using directly declared variables, but now I'm using another method where I am taking input from the user. Executing the code. Giving base equals 5 and height equal 9. The error occurred because we provided input as a string instead of an integer, but the program required an integer input. To address the error, I am converting the input from a string to an integer. Executing the code to see the result. Giving base equals 5 and height equal 9. 22.5 is the output. Please subscribe to the channel, please. If you like my video, please hit the like button.